Welcome back to Everyday Technology, and that is right, guys, we are doing a giveaway. So the product that I'm going to be giving away is the side-by-side power packer, and side-by-side was actually kind enough to partner up with me and send me the side-by-side right here so I can unbox it in this video and give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek at what you could be winning in this giveaway. Now, side-by-side is also going to be sending the power packer out to the winner of the giveaway, so thank you side-by-side so much. So the power packer is a really nice carrying case for all of your smaller tech accessories, including cables and small Bluetooth earphones. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is click on the first link in the description below, follow the directions on that website, and after you have done that, please comment down below that you have entered the giveaway. So if you have completed all of those tasks, you are now 100% entered in the giveaway. But if you have not completed those tasks, then I would really recommend, if you want to enter the giveaway, to do it now, because it will be closing in 2 weeks. And after the giveaway is closed and I have picked a winner, I will contact the winner privately, so hopefully that will be one of you guys. And now we're going to move on to actually unboxing what you guys could be winning. So, let's get started. See if I can. Don't want to hurt the precious cargo. So they included a little note and the guy actually signed it, so that is really cool. I will definitely be keeping this. And they also included a little bag tag so I can write my name on it and put it on the power packer, so that is really cool. That looks like there is nothing left in that bag, and let's open up this little guy right here. So this goes through there, and I can attach it to one of the zippers on here, and then if I ever happen to lose it and someone finds it, they can contact me, because there may be some very important things stored in this bag. They also included some stickers, so I will definitely be putting these around my house. Alright, now for what you all have been waiting for, the power packer itself. Alright, let's get this bad boy opened up. Gotta be careful not to hurt it, 'cause you don't want that. Now, I will be featuring this product in my Top Tech Under $50 video if I have not already mentioned that. But it is really a great product, and it seems very well built. So there's just foam in here and silica gel, which we'll be putting over there. And so this looks like a compartment where you can put some bigger things, like let's say your smartphone, and really smooth and very well built. Great job on the design side by side. Let's take off the tag. I cannot seem to. You know what? I'm just gonna leave it on there because I can't get it undone. So let's move on to the big compartment, and there's another silica gel and foam. That did not work. And this is the compartment where you're going to be storing a lot of your cables and possibly your Bluetooth earphones. So they have a lot of nice bungee type materials here to hold down any cables and things like that, and I really like that. I'm always losing cables, so this would be very helpful for me. And this looks like an area you can put some like credit cards and things like that. There's also some more room for more cables. So this is really nice. It would fit very well in a backpack or like a carry-on bag to bring with you on the airplane. I really like the design of this product. Very, very sleek design. And there's also a little handle right here so you can carry it by itself, or you can just put it in a bag. Alright guys, that's it for this video. As I said before, I wish the best of luck to all you guys, and I will catch you guys later. Peace out, bros. You know what? This is mine.